This is the first new digital brainstorm of its kind in the Asia Pacific region, with highly acclaimed thought leaders, futurists, analysts, and senior executives from both telcos and over-the-top providers to brainstorm strategies together to accelerate new growth opportunities in both telco, media, and technology. So let's use this opportunity to profit from each other's experiences. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Peter.
I've attended a lot of conferences and executive forums in the past, but it's the first time I've attended something where you have brainstorming sessions and you have more interactive activities. It's a very good learning experience, and at the same time, it's a great place. I mean, you know, this place is wonderful. It's heaven.
It's nice to get this industry together in a closed-door room where we're not concerned about reporters and external parties taking notes and running out with this going straight to the press. So it's really enabled some very open, candid, productive conversations amongst my colleagues and even my competitors. We find that there's a lot we can learn from each other.
What interested me most was the fact that it was so filled with telcos. We view telcos as an enormous opportunity that we should exploit and work with and partner with. So for us, it was a great opportunity to come back and spend 2 days with partners like Globe and Smart and Singtel and talk to thought leaders about what they're doing in the space and how we can work together more closely. So a fantastic conference.
It has greatly surpassed my expectations. The interactions I've been able to have with relevant partners across Southeast Asia have been really helpful. Most importantly, the organization itself has clearly made this event a real success for me. From the quality of the attendees to the quality of the venue, audio, video, sound, and also the electronic voting system and the other systems that you guys have put in place have been really helpful to me and my business.
I especially appreciated the type of interactivity that was generated between the audience and the speakers. All too often we find ourselves either behind a podium or on a chair on a stage speaking to some bright lights. And having the constant interaction, the questions streaming up onto the screen as well as the voting mechanism was, I think, extremely effective in keeping everybody engaged.
The format that you guys have chosen allows for that much more dynamic interaction, and the possibility of receiving feedback right there at the moment on the fly is really helpful to understand what level of kind of understanding and also kind of agreement or disagreement the attendees have.
Thank you to CSG for bringing me over here, and I hope to see more of these kinds of forums in the future.